Welcome Judiciary. Our innovative idea is redesigned drone aerial unmanned vehicle for first responders, which is designed for reducing human efforts and also save lives of living things which are suffering from environmental cause or humankind destruction. We were building our prototype for mankind purpose, but while building, an incident took place which shocked world, which was Australia forest fire, which is also called lungs of earth, which almost took 75% of forest in fire within a hours, which was heartbreaking news for everyone. This happened because firefighter couldn't reach on time and get a whole environmental view. So we got an idea of transporting a kit with the help of our drone. After few months of Australia incident, coronavirus disease had taken place in China, which killed almost half of Wuhan city and started spreading all over the world. But the people who got infected by virus was not aware, and sudden when symptoms showed up, none of them were helping them. So we analyzed and studied about views that people are dying because of oxygen getting less in lungs. So we came up with an idea that we can provide a kit which may include PPE kit which is weight of 300 gram, oxygen tank Oxy-99 with 6 liters of oxygen and 120 gram of weight, also mask and sanitizer, so that he or she can help himself till reaching nearest hospital or till ambulance reaches to its position without infecting others. Once the target is selected, the drone will continuously locate the infected person position till he reaches to the hospital. Our drone will help the needy person such a way that once it gets order by the user, it will help the needy person by transporting the kit which is delivered by the user. Let it be the fire or the virus. Our drone can lift up a weight of 3 kg with its payload. Our drone will act as a mission planner where it will transport its kit from one position to another position. And once it's work done, it will come back to its home position.